Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let us offer thanks for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His mercy, we can gather in the place in good health. We send our prayers and greetings to great Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam as uswatul hasanah for all of us. On this happy occasion, allow me as a finalist in the Young Researchers competition from Aju Berru on behalf of Zhuriat and Muhammad Aidil Hidayatullah by Supervised Dr. Haja Fitriwati Syamsuddin MSI to present our research. The title our research, Exploration of the Existence of Aju Berru Trees in Sepe'e of Barru District. For the time, I allow my partners to deliver the next presentation. Time is yours.
Thank you, Aidil. Now, for introduction, Barru Regency is a region in the province of South Sulawesi whose name comes from Aju Berru tree. Today, this tree is rarely found. We don't want that the history of the name of Barru Regency, which comes from the name of the Aju Berru tree, just arrived at people's ears, yet nobody has seen the tree. Thus, an action must be carried out to conduct a research and exploration of the existence of a rare plant named Aju Berru, and to identify the general morphology of the tree in Sepe'e of Barru district. And the next slide is research methodology. The experimental design and steps of collecting data was done through 4 phases. The first is pre-exploration, the second is research, the third is exploration, and the fourth is post-exploration. Variables in research. The research and exploration doesn't use any specific research variables. Analyzing the experimental results, we done it by comparing them with other similar research. The data that we obtain, we describe according to our view and knowledge. And the next slide is results and analysis. The first is pre-exploration. We determine the type of plant that are going to be researched based on the results of interviews collected from various sources. From this, we determine that the Aju Berru trees that inspired the name of Barru Regency will be the subject of our research. And then study. After choosing the subjects of research, which is Aju Berru trees, we conduct an interview to the local communities of Sepe'e to acquire more information about Aju Berru trees. And then, after that, we do exploration. We search the existence of Aju Berru trees to study the general morphology of the Aju Berru tree. The general morphology of Aju Berru tree is having a taproot, having a stem that is woody, and has a vascular cambium as well as branch. The leaves are pinnate and sharply serrated and with thick texture. And the fourth is post-exploration. The results will later be prepared as a source to write a book about the Aju Berru tree and will be submitted to the local government as a rare plant that must be inclusion and future work. Researchers conclude that the Aju Berru tree's genus is Selkova, and is not actually endemic to Barru, but has a historical and cultural meaning for Barru Regency. It became rare in Barru Regency because of the overexploitation from local communities, and also because of the ignorance from the local governance and also the local communities to conserve the Aju Berru trees. The government and the local communities must take an action to conserve the remaining population of Aju Berru trees. The government could help the remaining population by making a policy that banned an illegal logging of the Aju Berru trees. Also, socializing the condition of Aju Berru tree to the local communities, categorizing the Aju Berru tree as a protected plant and replanting Aju Berru trees in a location that used to be grown by Aju Berru trees. And the last is references. For reference, we use books, journals, and everything that is related to our research. That was our presentation. Thank you for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.